In this video, we'll look at the faster way of calculating measures of center using built-in Excel functions. You can use these functions on larger datasets, and it helps to make sure you don't make any mistakes. The functions for calculating our three measures of center are mode, median, and average. It can take a little bit of time to remember that the mean is not calculated using the formula mean. We use the formula average instead, which is the more common name for a mean. In order to calculate the mode, most frequently occurring value in the dataset, specifically for our amount spent variable in our budget data, we would start by typing in equals mode, like we do for all formulas, opening up a bracket, then selecting all of the amounts spent. When I press enter, it will find the most commonly occurring value, which seems to be $1,570, the amount of the mortgage. For the median, I'm going to type in equals median and open a bracket, select all my amounts spent, close the bracket, and press enter. The median is then 102.93. That is the middle value. It's pretty low, which shows you that a lot of my payments are not that much money, less than $100. And then the second half would be above that 102.93 mark. So $100 is about the middle. And the mean is your actual average, found by adding up all the values and dividing them by the number of values. Instead of having to use two functions, sum and count, we can just use average to find that mean, which is 250.11. Notice that it's quite a bit higher than the median, and that's because we've got some really large payments that occur over and over again, like the mortgage, that bring the mean to a higher middle value than the median shows. And those are 3 quick Excel functions for finding measures of center.